guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. I'm really excited about today's video because we are going to get a lot of cleaning done. I needed to clean my Ruggable. We needed to get it washed. It's been a while, so we do that. And then we also are going to be doing some Christmas decorating, so stay tuned for more of that. So I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving, and let me know if you did any online shopping or if you plan to do any Black Friday shopping or Cyber Monday shopping. I'd love to know.
Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones.
So for my Ruggable, I wanted to make sure I added 2 Tide Pods just because it is a big carpet or a big rug. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash it. I also went ahead and pre-soaked it. So I wanted to make sure it got clean because it was filthy, you guys. It probably has been about 5 or 6 months since the last time I washed it, and it really needed to be washed. That's just a disclaimer, FYI, it's been a minute. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys later on in the video how to properly put your Ruggable carpet or your Ruggable rug back down on the black mat. So stay tuned for that because it's a little tricky.
But I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, it's spitting me out. I just can't help myself.
So let me know if you guys clean your chairs or wipe down your chairs every time you wash your table. I do not, as you've seen in my other videos, but I do try and do it at least once a week because it does get really like sticky and crumbs and stuff like that.
I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning.
So I did mention this in my last video, but me and Ava are doing a Christmas card exchange for anybody who wants to be involved. We will be sending Christmas cards out to you guys. So I do have a P.O. box if you want to send a card also. I can give you that, but just go ahead and comment down below and I can message you there. And I also will go ahead and put my P.O. box in the description down below.
I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing.
So right here, I'm just going ahead and refilling up one of my Jaws products, the glass cleaner. So all you do is put this little pod or whatever it's called into the bottle. And once you put everything back together, then you can just shake it up and the product is inside your bottle. So it's really awesome because it helps on limiting plastic, so recycling and just kind of reusing things. And I love it because it's also a non-toxic product, which I like to use majority of the time.
We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden.
So on this day, I needed to get some groceries. So what I like to do is kind of go through my fridge and reorganize it a little bit. But what I needed to do is go through some of the products or some of the items in there and figure out what's expired or old or we don't use. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing both so we can get it cleaned up and ready for new groceries. So what I like to use on my stainless steel are these e-cloths. They are amazing. All you have to do is add a little water and you start wiping clean, and then it comes with a drying cloth. You want to make sure that you use that because that's going to make sure that there's no like smears left behind. So I really, really like it. I do have discount codes for the cleaning products I'm using in today's video if you want to check that out down below. So right now I'm using the Hoover Vac Mop, and this is really cool because all I have to do is vacuum with it, and then you'll pull that little latch or switch back and then move it forward, and that's when the water comes out. And then when you reverse it back or you pull when you pull it back, then it's going to suck up all that water and use its brushes to clean the floor. So it's super cool and I love it and convenient because it's like a 2-in-1 deal.
Enough to leave me chasing you on and on, but I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been, but I know you are my liability.
I don't know what it is, but I get so satisfied with this, but I'd like to show you guys kind of what we picked up off the floor and the results of cleaning the floor. It looks disgusting, but it just seems so satisfying because it was on the floor and now it's not. So we're gonna go ahead and take a break with the cleaning because I wanted to show you guys a clothing haul. This is gonna be a holiday inspired clothing haul. So today I teamed up with Bellelily. They're an online boutique and they sell tons of clothes from holiday dresses, fun graphic tees with funny quotes on them, and so much more at affordable prices. So I'm gonna show you guys the pieces that they sent for me to share with you. They are gonna be having a sale, so I want you to make sure you check the description box. Check out their links and go check out their deals. I've actually been shopping through Bellelily for a long time now. I get a lot of my little graphic tees from there. So this one that I've been wearing today is from Bellelily. So Bellelily also has like really fun stuff for your pets. They have this little bandana that I picked up for Remy. Next week, we're gonna be taking holiday pictures here at the house. We're having a photographer come. So I got this for him. We're gonna wear like buffalo check PJs. that the whole family has. Then he'll wear his little bandana that says Merry Christmas everyone. So that's super cute. I did go ahead and pick up this beanie and this matching scarf. They have tons of scarves on there. Right, you guys, so this top is probably one of my favorites. It's like a sweatshirt and it is so buttery soft. I absolutely love it. And then I love the little leopard Christmas trees right here and then the neutral colors. So I'm loving it. I'm just pairing it with some little booties that I already had that are similar colors. And then right here, it just says merry and bright. It might be backwards for you guys, but yeah, that's it. All right, you guys, so this is the second top I wanted to show you guys. This has the sequins right here, like the gold. I think it's almost like a blush, a pink blush maybe. Super cute, I love it. So I don't know what pants I'm gonna wear with this or how I'm gonna pair this, so I just threw it on. It's super soft and comfortable and loose fitting, but All right, you guys, so this is the next top. This is like a knitted leopard shirt dress, but I went ahead and paired it with some black faux leather leggings and the black booties. But it's super long, super comfortable, really cute. I feel like it's edgy yet chic. All right, you guys, so I have the dress on. This is perfect for like New Year's and Christmas. I don't know if we're gonna be doing any holiday events this year, but definitely do them at home and you can still get dressed up. So this is super cute, it's great quality. And I also love, don't mind my family back there. I also love this little ruffle part on the sleeves. I think that just gives enough detail just to kind of make it look stylish and not so like plain or anything. So this is another dress that they carry. I really love the buffalo check on this and then also the slit, how it crunches up. And then I do like how it's like the different patterns here where you just have the solid color up here and then you have the pattern down here. I think that's super cute and just different. So I will probably be wearing this for Christmas. Even if I'm just hanging around the house, I do want to definitely still enjoy the holidays as if we were going out and doing things. So we're still going to be getting dressed up here. All right, you guys, so this is the last piece that I got from Bellelily. You guys know I love my graphic tees, especially the holiday ones or something cute and funny. So this one just says merry and bright. It also has leopard and buffalo check pattern in the Christmas trees. I just like comfy tees like this, you guys. I am a sucker for a comfy tee and jeans, so this is probably one of my favorite pieces also. So that is all I have for you guys. So thank you Bellelily for sponsoring today's video. Definitely go and check them out, you guys. Happy shopping, happy Black Friday. Get your deals, pick up your things and save some money. And we're gonna go ahead and continue with the day. Don't forget to check out their links down below. All right, you guys, so the Ruggable is done washing and drying. So I'm just going ahead and vacuuming the bottom part there just to get up any dog hair or anything. And then right now I'm gonna go ahead and roll up the Ruggable. So you're gonna wanna roll it up so you can lay it down and just unroll it easily onto the black mat. So I'll show you guys in a second. All right, you guys, I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about my hot cocoa bar, and I am finally going ahead and putting it up. I was going to wait until after Thanksgiving, but my family was really eager for me to go ahead and put it out. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. So of course I like to clean my space first, just making sure it's clean before we decorate. So we found this tablecloth at Target and we really wanted a candy cane look. So we're going to go ahead and try and make this work. The only downfall is that it's super big and not made for this space. You guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you got some fun decorating inspiration and tons of cleaning motivation. Let me know if you were cleaning with me today and go ahead and comment down below and say hi. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.